The significance of this night is beautiful because it means unification, and as you can see, whenever we come together, we've done these events sometimes, but when we come together, it's always a beautiful energy and a beautiful vibe.
It's half moon party, baby. Know where we are, baby. We play the side. Hands up, hands up, hands up. No minds to the thing.
Sold out show. I've been upstairs since sound check, so I didn't even know it was crowded like this. But it's gonna be fun out there, man. Like they got good energy. I can just tell by the DJ. They yelling out words to songs that nobody's performing, so it should be good, man.
So keep your hands up, come on, come on, let them know. Posted up on Cottage Grove, posted flow when I said don't. Why they got a couple racks chillin', playing dominoes. You know, Baba Moon, president for Brenny, yeah, give the list a sinking change.
Check this out, Smif N Wessun out here at CMJ, you know what it is, Duckdown, Blacksmith, bringing the family together, making it happen real quick and easy like.
Put you kids in the corner like timeout. Listen, we don't give two fucks what you're on about. All them more stories, your shorties you're lying about. Get your load up in the hole and just lying.
We don't get it, oh, hit it, you gotta feel it. You know why we go realers, spot rushers, hand touchers.
So many different levels of creativity, it's just phenomenal, you know. And then these cats come out like Pharoahe, Buckshot, Talib, and Gene come out with the band, and we just take it to a whole nother level. So it's just like, it's just hip-hop at its finest.
The place is packed. It's going to be pretty amazing. I'm about to hit the stage in a few, and it's going to be fuckery.
Come on, get up your hands. Let's try this. I'm the stick-up man. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a robbery. It goes hands in the air and lay on the ground. And give me all your money and I'll shake it around and do the stick-up dance. Come on. Oh, that girl by the end of the balcony, you too cool? It goes hands in the air and lay on the ground. And give me all your money and I'll shake it around and do the stick-up dance. Come on, do the stick-up dance.
I'm blessed. It's a beautiful thing to be rocking tonight with all of my favorite artists that inspire me.
Soul securities that your people camera phones. You got rose gold, yellow powder, king cashmere. So ahead of the trend they sold last year, last month, last days, last hour, last minute. You ever sue the cool, so passionate, do the cash and laugh in his face. That for anybody will stay in their place. So popular, can't go nowhere, folks telling ya. Might want to check the thermometer. When you enter the room, the heat rises. Surrounded by people so lonely. That's why you need disguises. They say, all the lonely people, where do they all come from? Everybody say, all the lonely people, where do they all belong? Everybody say, 1, 2, 3. This is how we do it when we out on tour. You say, yeah. Duckdown, Blacksmith for sure. It's like 1, 2, 3, yeah. All my girls and all my boys, eh? Buckshot.
Running up on the mall, fly as hell, hit the park, play the wall. All the older heads said Buck is a badass. He just bought little, so he gon' laugh. They knew the time, they knew the rhyme when they hit you in at least 4 years. So I came to split you in a 9-3, it was all about me. 9-4, 9-5 was my year.
Give it up, give it up, give it up. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, we enjoyed you. We hope you enjoyed us. We love y'all. Word is born. My name is Talib Kweli. This is Buckshot. Peace and love. Duckdown, Blacksmith. We love y'all.